everyone, welcome back in Reno Maths classes. So dear students, today we are going to solve a math olympiad questions, and this is questions related to geometry problems. In these questions we have to find out the value of these question marks, that is we have to find out the value of this angle, and let us consider this angle as angle 1. So in these questions we have given a figure. In this figure this is a circles, and inside circles we have given a quadrilaterals, and this is the center of the circles. If this is the center of the circle, then this line segment will be the diameter of the circles, and we know that angles subtended by our diameters will be right angles, that is 90 degrees. So this angle is 90 degree. So in this question, let us take a look on these figures. This is our triangles, and inside the triangles this angle is 40 degree, this angle is 90 degree. So first of all we have to find out these angles with the help of angle sum property of our triangles. And angle sum property of a triangle means the sum of three angles of a triangle will be 180 degree. So 90 degree plus 40 degree plus, suppose this is angle 2, plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. 90 plus 40 will be 130 degree, plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree, and this is angle 2 is equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree. So we have left angle 2 is equal to 50 degree. Now look the figure very carefully. Inside the circles we have a quadrilateral, and all the vertices of our quadrilaterals will be on the circumference of the circles. All four vertices will lie on the circumference of the circle. So it means this is a cyclic quadrilateral. This is a cyclic quadrilateral, and in cyclic quadrilateral opposite angle sum will be 180 degree. So angle 1 and angle 2 are opposite angles, and this is a cyclic quadrilateral. So sum of angle 1 and angle 2 must be 180 degree. So by using this we conclude that angle 1 plus angle 2 will be equal to 180 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 2, we have calculated angle 2 as 50 degree. So this is angle 1 plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree, and angle 1 is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree. Angle 1 is equal to 130 degree. So in these questions we have to find out the value of this question mark, that is angle 1, and angle 1 is 130 degree. So I hope this concept is clear to all of you. So if you like the video, then don't forget to like it, share with your friends, and also subscribe if you're not. Thank you so much for watching.